So it's a new year and we're all excited about what's happening this year. And if you're like me, you are thinking about the things that you want to accomplish this year and how to get to where you want to go. It is very interesting because every year, everybody tries to think of things that they've done in the past year and things that they want to do, things that they want to improve in the next year. And it's always the same thing. Everybody goes through this New Year's resolution and we're all excited about the new year, which is wonderful. But at the end of the day, what happens is by the end of January, the first month of the year, everybody almost forgets about those resolutions, and then we go all back to the things that we were doing that really didn't move the needle the previous year. Now, I am also at fault when it comes to this. We all are, we're all humans. And so I want to challenge you. So I know you want to make money. I know you want to find ways to be financially independent. And I want you to think about two main things here. Number one, why is it that you're not where you want to be? Number two, why is it that you never follow through with the things that you need to do in order to move the needle, in order to become the person you want to be, right? So the thing that you have to think about in order to be successful at anything is not just about action. It's about setting up yourself for success. What does that mean? Well, don't have 10 things that you want to improve in a year. Have 1, 2, or 3 max. Because now those are things that are manageable. Think about it. If you say, I want to make money in 2024, what does that entail? Well, it entails a lot of things, right? Maybe 10, 15, even 20 things that you have to actively be doing, really, in order to get to that goal. So if you say, I want to make money, and I want to be really healthy, and I want to be really wealthy, and I want to be able to do X, Y, and Z, so now the list is getting really large, and no wonder people don't get to do, or people don't follow through, because these are too big of a list. So find 2 or 3 things, and then within those 2 or 3 things that you want to accomplish, that's where you have those steps to accomplish those things, because that will make your list real long, because it requires certain steps. So think about what is that you want to accomplish, but mostly what person do you want to become in 2024? And so I want to make money. Well, how do you make money? Are you watching YouTube videos and do nothing? Are you buying all these courses and at the end of the day you do nothing? Are you still doing the same things that you did last year, or planning on doing the same things you did last year, which never allowed you to move the needle to get to where you want to be, right? So what are you going to be doing that is different from last year that will help you get to your goals? So one of the big plans I have for this channel is I want to continue to create content that is inspiring, content that will help you get to where you want to be, specifically building a business and make money online. But I want it to be in a way that it is sustainable, in a way that it is something that will allow you to actually show up, do the work, and hopefully start seeing results. That's all that matters anyway. So I would like to invite you to the changes that I'm going to be making in this channel in terms of the content. Obviously, I'll still keep adding value to you, to your life. That's the whole point. But I want to change it so that perhaps I tackle things that really are important, right? We all want to make money. I know you're here because you want to learn how to make money online, but I want to challenge you to think in terms of, okay, what are the first steps for you to be able to actually make money online? Because you find a lot of gurus online who are talking about things, who are telling you, look, I made this much money. And that's true in some cases, and it's very possible. But what they don't tell you, I think, is what it takes to actually make money online. And when I say just to make money online, that is a very short-term strategy. To just make money, anybody can just make money. You can go just get a job, or you can be a freelancer, you can do things. But what I want to focus on is to actually how to keep making money, how to grow your business, how to really grow your business, and most importantly, your knowledge, so that you are more valuable and you can actually be making money in the long term. Does that make sense? And so that is what I want to focus on this channel for the year to 2024, and to give you all the tools, all my experience working online for the past, I would say 15 years, 15 years. That way, hopefully you can see what it takes to actually start making money online. Of course, I'm going to start giving you the tips of things that I'm doing, of things that are working, but most importantly, I'm also going to give you the strategies, the mindset, the things that are really needed. And I know sometimes these things can be a little bit boring because they're not a shiny object, right? It's not like, oh, look, $100,000. But that is the most important thing. It is all about mindset. It's all about the understanding of what really needs to be done in order to be successful online. Not just online, but in general, but since we're online, so I should focus online. Does it make sense? Okay, that's my message to you, is to keep focused on building up yourself first, so that you have the knowledge and the skills and the emotional maturity to be able to pull this off, to be able to actually do what you want to do in order for you to become successful, not only online, but in your life, and hopefully build business that will generate income for years to come. So that is my goal in this channel, and that is my hope for you. And I would ask you to leave the comments below if you are resonating with this new message, this new direction for this channel. Let me know what topics you want me to cover, and also most importantly, I want to hear from you about what you think of this new announcement of what I'm going to be doing in this channel, which is going to focus on building the skills, building the mindset, as well as showing how to make money online. But I want to also focus on the here, right? Okay, thank you so much. Subscribe if you're new, and thank you for your time. See you next time.